It's more or less to provide sort of a buffer to the idea that water's spreading this way, okay, at the time it's infiltrating. And we would set up 6 of these within a zone of about here to our truck over there to get a measurement for a field, okay? And each one of these would take at least one of these, maybe more. So it was a lot of hauling water, and again, students did most of that work. And we had automated ways we had little pressure transducers attached to these that we could measure that water level change. So we maintained the water level between 4 and 8 inches. Let's see if I get that right. Let's see. 5 and 10 centimeters. So I'm trying to convert here. Yeah. And so everything's done the same. So the same amount of water head. Because of course, if we had a column of water this high on it, that would be pressure and would force it in faster. Okay. So we have all the same height or within the same range. And these would typically, we'd let them soak up for 30 minutes and then start our measurements for an hour or an hour and a half. Okay, so that's again trying to compare cropping systems, different fields, and that type of thing. It takes a lot of water and a lot of time to do that. Okay, there are some new devices out, and of course we forgot our tubing today that are automated. This has a little peristaltic pump inside it. We'd have a tube in this jug there, and it would be putting water into this closed chamber. The chamber has a fixed pressure inside it. So instead of having a certain height of water above the soil, it has a fixed pressure in it. So it maintains the water at the same pressure for the entire period. So this one, the idea is you set it up and you walk away for 2 hours. It will do a digital readout and tell me this is the ability of the soil to conduct water, okay, for this system. But you can imagine these are small measurements. So we have to have a lot of them to capture the variability within the field. Wheel track, non-wheel track, where the plants are, all those, or just the natural variability of